nice lots. For example, this is lot number 1. Nice gravel wide lot, back end lot. Again, got your own picnic table and fire pit with some hangers. Nice private lot. Probably have a lot of traffic here at lot number 1. Got dumpsters to use right here at the center part. Campground host is right as you pull in to the main entrance of the campground. Let's go on here. This is lot 1. Pull on around. Nice wide asphalt road. Then you got your bathrooms right here with water, it looks like. Nice restrooms. Of course, they're closed for the season. Looks like we go around here through, this is camp spot number 5, back right in off of the entrance. And what's nice about camp spot number 5 is you back right up to the creek. You've got your picnic table and your fire pit and your hangers, but you got access to the creek. Very nice. See if it's seeing a trout here. Oh, but the water is clear as a bell. Come during the hot part of the year, it's creek. Always like camping next to the creek. Helps cool things off. So that was lot number 5, and if you keep going, looks like, which all these are central to the bathrooms, restrooms. There's lot number 4, it's similar. It backs up next to the creek. Oh, a neat little tree, got a little burrow there. So it looks like this just loops around here. Site number 2 would be rather tight backing in, but you do have your picnic table, and then you start the campground loop trail right here. Right off of lot number 3. 3 would be a real nice one to get in, it looks like. It's right next to the creek. Big wide space. Oh, it looks like it's a double space. I guess that's why. It's got 2 picnic tables, fire pit. It only has number 3 on it, so, but it's a big wide space. If you had 2 families coming, lot number 3 would be real nice. Okay, so turning into the campground with 1 through 5 is to your right, and then right straight as you pull in, which is the campground host lot, and you're going to your left. After you turn in, you got your dumpsters. Loop around here. Lot number 7 is immediately on your right. Not as deep, but very wide, real nice. Backs up to the creek. Got your picnic table, fire pit, hanger, and it's right across from water and another set of bathrooms over here. It's like lot number 8 backs up against the creek as well. Nine is against the creek. And right across from that, wow, number 17. 17 is real nice. It's not against the creek, but it's a very deep. If you could back it in here, you can put whatever you want in lot number 17, and it's right next to the facilities. So continuing on the right, you have lot number 9. It's a pull-through lot next to the creek. And right across from it is lot number 18. Nice, straight. Comes off of an angle. I don't know if I can show this accurately. It comes right off at an angle. We'll be able to pull up and back in very easy. It's like number 19. It's not on the water. It may be a tent only. Well, you might could get a pop-up or something in there. 10 may be a tent only. It's narrow against the creek. 11's down here on the corner, it looks like. Nice wide lot. Get a little bit of privacy being down here on the corner. If you look, the rest of the campground's laid out that way. You're down here on the corner. It's number 11. And once again, you're actually on a bend in the creek. It goes all the way around. You've got a nice little private area back here. Probably get the most real estate with this lot. Got a little bit of a beached area. Water may be deep enough down there to actually for the kids to have a swimming hole at the bend of the creek here. Continue around the loop. Well, lot number 12. 12 might be my least favorite so far. It's just so small and compact. Cars, lights be turning into you all hours. Yeah. 12 is one of them. I ain't got nothing else. I'll use number 12. And continuing around the loop. Lot number 20. Out there a little bit of privacy. Still in the center, off the water. What's actually probably pretty nice about lot number 20. Still a smaller lot, got a little bit of real estate. But we got a little tree or two right in the middle. Wow. Nice tall pines. It works good until one of the limbs fall out in the middle of the night. Be nice to hang stuff on. They got a nail or two in them. We had to walk down to number 13 and 14. Be nice if you had two families as well and you were tent camping. You're right on the water. Nice big area down here. There's lot number 13 and number 14. Real nice. Continue around the loop. Number 21, you'll have to pull on through and then back in. And really, it'll hold anything that you can back in there. It's a nice long lot. And lot number 15 is a nice short and wide lot. I don't know what you probably have to call the park to ask them exactly how, but it's wide. That's nice and backs up to a little bit of open real estate. It is a little close to the road, but overall a nice one, and you're convenient to the restrooms. It loops around. It's like they got a little tent lot here. Still you got the tent lots, you know, they got the picnic table, the fire pit, the hangars. And that'll be lot number 16, so it's at the end of the loop as you come into the campground and turn left. Very nice small campground. I assume that be hard to get into, small as it is, but it is sort of primitive. It does have restrooms. Overall very nice, clean, up to date.